Within Microsoft Excel, there are some new features. A couple of years back, Microsoft introduced this particular feature, and this is called Flash Fill, which you can use in Microsoft Excel. If you follow my mouse, here I have a dataset available. Some of the names are there along with few more details. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here in the name column, you can see all full names are mentioned. Now, what we want to achieve here? We want to segregate this full name into different parts, that is first name and last name. Now, before I show you how Flash Fill works and how easy it is, let me show you the other conventional way available using which normally we achieve this kind of an requirement using another feature within MS Excel, that is text to column. If I just copy the first column and I paste it elsewhere, and then I select this particular column, I go to data tab, and then I click on text to columns, it will give you a prompt. There are a couple of ways using which you can split this particular data. One is using delimiters. Second one is fixed width. So I'll go ahead with the first one and then I'll click on next. Here you can see multiple options are here. Considering my data is splitted using a space, because between every first name and last name there is a space, I'll click on space and then I'll just click on finish. What it will do, it will split the name. You can see all first names are here and all last names are here. Now this is the conventional method using which we used to do a couple of years back also. Now what's the new thing? That's the Flash Fill. Let me show you. Here what I need to do, I just need to type the first name. Let me do that. That I have done. Just follow the screen now. I've just started typing and now you can see, now it's already showing me the option that Excel sensed that what I am going to do. I already typed the first name from the first row, and then in the second one when I type some of the letters only, it's suggesting me that is this the thing you are going to achieve? If I just hit enter, it will fetch all the first name and it will populate this particular column. Now for the last name, I just need to do the same thing. I'll just type the first one and then in the second row, what I'll do, I'll just start typing and it will give me option for the remaining things also. And I'll just need to hit enter. So this is Flash Fill, where you don't need to split, you don't need to go in the other way. If you have a huge data with hundreds of rows and columns, and there you need to work on this particular data set, this particular feature can help you to solve that very quickly. Hopefully you like this particular approach and you will be able to use it in your day-to-day work. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. I also have a full course available on MS Excel related tips. Please check the description below to find out more about it. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.